Is your Android screen flickering? Here's how to fix it quickly. First, try restarting or rebooting your phone by holding down the power button and selecting either reboot or power off. If the flickering continues, enable dark mode temporarily. Swipe down your notification panel, find dark mode, and turn it on. This often reduces flickering until you apply a permanent fix. Next, go to Settings, then About Phone, and find Software Information. Tap Build Number or MIUI version 7 times to unlock developer options. Return to Additional Settings and open Developer Options. Scroll down and make sure Show Surface Updates and GPU View Updates are turned off. Then, find Disable S2W Overlays and ensure it is turned on. After adjusting these settings, your screen flickering should be resolved. If this helped, tap like, share this video, and subscribe for more Android tips and fixes.